If you're an ISACA Birmingham Chapter member, I've got some news for you. And next month, the chapter will be having what we call our Spring Audit Conference. This audit conference will be on the 7th and 8th of March, 2023 at the Birmingham Botanical Gardens. These 2 days will be presented by myself and my good colleague and ISACA member, Greg Witt. Managing information and technology in today's digital environment is like never before. What used to be a fairly slow-moving centralized environment is now global, fast-paced, and highly visible. We'll get some digital trust in there as well.
That's a perfect fit, Mark. It's true. An important part of what we've been working on at NIST has been something ISACA has always known, that the enterprise and the operations teams need to be in sync. As the adversaries get better at communicating amongst each other and building better tools, then we need to adjust our defenses. Part of that defense is moving beyond the technical areas into what ISACA has been calling digital trust. So we've got to think about a culture of trust. We're not just waiting for change, but we're looking for indicators. We're watching the horizon to understand what triggers might mean that we need to adjust what we're doing and how.
That takes us to the 2-day agenda. Day 1 will be myself, and day 2 will be Greg Witt. On day 1, I'll be talking about risk-based assurance in a high-velocity environment. We'll look at things like governance of enterprise IT and COVID, among others, to help us focus on risk and assure that we're getting the right balance of value, risk, and resource utilization to help our enterprises be safe and successful. This fits nicely into Greg's focus on day 2.
I'm a contractor at NIST, so I get to work with many of the frameworks from around the world that help us to model how we can do those things and help you apply them in ways that are tailored for your particular organization. Then that means that we need frameworks that will help us to interoperate. Frameworks like CSF and RMF from NIST, of course, like COBIT and Digital Trust, but also many others from around the world. ISO just revised their 27,000 series. The Cloud Security Alliance just updated their cloud matrix. There's so many different models we can have, and it's what I look forward to sharing on the second day there in Birmingham with you.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We hope to see you on March 7th and 8th at the Birmingham Botanical Gardens for the Spring Audit Conference of the ISACA Birmingham Chapter. You can find out more information here at the Birmingham Chapter Engage site. Look forward to seeing you March 7th and 8th.